So, hello everyone, I am your intelligence guide here. So, myself Sainik and I am from Sachin classes. I teach intelligence here. So, we start with our RMS 2022 answer key today. So, look at the first question. The first question is given as P denotes plus, Q denotes minus, R denotes divide, and S denotes multiply. So when we decode this, the equation will become S into 24 divide R divide 1, then Q is minus 5 plus 8. Okay, when we solve this will become 15 into 24 minus plus 3, and this will become 15 for the equation on the screen. The equation will become 15 into 24 divided by 12 plus minus 5 plus 3. So this will become 15 into 2 minus plus 3. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 2 is equals to 33. So the right answer will be option B. So when we look at the second question, this question is from this question is A's weight. First option. Okay, so A's weight is more than the weight of C, and A has the second highest weight. So when we solve this, then A is C, and A has the second highest weight. E weighs more than A. So this will come here, E, and B weighs more than D, which is the heaviest. We know that A is the second highest, so the B and D cannot be here. Then who is the heaviest? So the answer will be option E. So sorry, the answer is E, and the answer is option C. Let's come to the third question. In this question, a series is given with a missing term. We have to choose the correct alternative for that to complete the series. So here, okay. When you decode H, K, T, Q, T, T, and X, W, the T, T will become 20 and 20. This will become the T and T will become 20 and 20. P and Q are 16 and 17. H and K are the H is 8 and 8, 12, and X and W are 24 and 23. So the first one is going at the count of plus 4. Yes, plus 4, and the second one is going at the plus 3. So when we add 4 in H, the 8 plus 4 will become 12. Then the 12 will be letter N. Sorry, letter N, and the plus 3 will be letter N from K. K plus 3 will be letter N. So the right answer would be option A. Okay, we come to the fourth question. In this question, we have given that Nikhil is 8 years younger than his brother Rohan. How old will the Rohan when he is twice as old as Nikhil? So at start we know that Nikhil is 8 years older than his brother. That means x plus 8 is equals to y. When we add, how old will the Rohan be when he's twice as old as Nikhil? So suppose we take Nikhil's year as 1 and Rohan's age is as 8. When we double this age, 16, and we have to add plus 8 in this. So the gap still remains as the 8 years, but Rohan's age is 16, so we have to, the right option will be option D. So in question number 5, we have to classify the following systems: computer, hardware, monitor, keyboard, and operating system. As you know, the computer, hardware, monitor, keyboard are come under hardware part. So these four will share, these three will share the circles like this here, and the operating system is the software part. So this will come outside. So the right option will be option D. So when we come to the question number 6, in this figure we have to show sister, mother, and brother's relation. These sister, mother, and brother, they all are connected with each other in the relation wise. So this option will be right option C. So now this question: how many leap years do we have in 300 years? So leap years come every 4 years. So what we have to do is we have to divide the 300 by 4. Then the answer will be 75. The answer will be 75. In 300 years, there will be 75 leap years. So now we come to the question number 8. In question number 8, it is given as Amit is the brother of Sonia. So this is Amit. This is the brother of Sonia. Jyoti is the sister of Nikita. So let's say Jyoti is the sister of Nikita. Jyoti is the sister of Nikita. Sonia is the daughter of Satish's father. Here, this is the Sonia. She is the daughter of Satish's father. So this here will be Satish's father. And Nikita is the daughter of Kavinder. This Nikita, she is the daughter of Kavinder. Jyoti is the mother of Amit. Now we know that Jyoti, she is the mother of Amit. So now what we have to do, Mukesh is the Nikita's only sister. Who is the Nikita's only sister? She is Jyoti. So this, the Mukesh will be the husband of Jyoti. Now how is Satish related to Kavinder? Here is the Satish and here is the Kavinder. So they are connected with the one generation gap. So we'll call that as the grandson. They are related as the grandson relation. Okay, so in the question number 9, we have to choose which word as the odd one out from the given words. The words are tea, cinchona, rubber, and chalk. Cinchona, rubber, and chalk are connected in some way, but the tea is the different because tea is a food item. So the correct option will be option A. Now come to the question number 10. In this question, we have to complete this matrix. We have to complete this question mark. So this will go as when you divide this and this, you will get the result. Like here it is a triangle. But when you minus this, the triangle will be get eliminated and the line and circle will remain as the answer. So following come to the third question. When you minus these two, the box will get eliminated and the semicircle will also get eliminated. So we are left with the cross mark, and the cross mark is given at the option 4. So the correct option will be option D. So in this question, we have to choose which figure is different from the rest. As you can see, that the second, third, and fourth are the figures which has the last part as the colored part, and the only first one is as the second part is their color is colored. So we have so the right answer will be option A. Okay. So question number 12 is based on the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is you add the first two terms and make the third term. In this series, the same is happening. 5 plus 8 will be 13, and 8 plus 13 will be 21. So we have to so when we add 13 and 21, we'll get as the 44. Sorry, 34. So the right answer will be option B. Now the question number 13 is also same. We have to find the missing term only. So here what we have to do, this is minus 24, this is plus 48, this is plus 36, minus 36, and this is minus plus 72. So the next term will come as the minus, and we have to add minus 72 minus so here we have to minus 48. So the correct when you minus 48 from 108, the correct option will be option 54, option D, and the answer is 54. Okay. So then in question number 14, we have to arrange we have to choose according to the alphabetical order from the dictionary. So when you look at the question number 114, A and M are common in all the questions. So we have to look at the third question, and we'll see which is the nearest in the dictionary. So when you look at the option C, there is A, and A is the first letter in the dictionary. So we'll go with option number C. And in question number 115 also, B and E are common in all of them. And when we look at the third letter, the letter L is which comes first in the dictionary. So the correct option will be option number B. In question number 16, the same is we have to follow the dictionary pattern only. In this T, R, O are common. So we have to arrange these five in the particular order. The first will come the option with the letter P. So the first will be second one. After that, after that will come the fifth one with letter J. This fifth. After that will come letter P and letter B and letter T. So the answer will be 2, 5, 4, 1, and 3. Option number C. In question number 17 of intelligence, we have to find the mirror image of this following. So what you have to do, you just have to repeat the mirror image. You have to the last letter will come as the first. The second will come as the second last will come at the second. Okay. When you follow this pattern, you will get the answer as option number 4. The correct option will be option number D. In 18 also, you have to do the mirror imaging only. After doing the mirror imaging, you will get the option number 4. So the correct option is option number D. Okay. In question number 19, okay, the letter M and N are given here. When we place a mirror here, we have to we have to show which what will be the image from will be the here. So as you see the point here, when you do the mirror imaging, this point will become here. The point will come here. So according to that, the option B is the correct answer. Question number 120. Okay, so here again comes the pattern part. This is the simple pattern. This follows as the +5 pattern. So what will come as the 41 plus 5 will become the 47, and 47 plus 5 becomes the 52. So the correct option is option number A. So now the question number 21. This question is from the maths actually, not from the. Okay, sorry. when you add plus 5 in 41, the option will become 46, and when you add 5 in 46, the answer will become 51. So the correct option is option number D. The question number 21 is actually belongs from the maths area, not really from the intelligence. So what you have to do, the distance is given as the 600 meters and time is given as the 5 minutes. So when you turn minutes in hours, you divide 5 into 60, 5 by 60, and you multiply 600 by 1 by 1000. So when you solve this, you will get as the 0.65 into 60. So now this will become as 36 divided by 5. The right answer will be 7.2. Option number B. So here you have to just find the correct choice from the house is roof, then the earth will become as the atmosphere. Okay, no, sky, sorry, not atmosphere. Option C, sky. In question number 133, coal is coded as mine, then water will be coded as well. Option number D. In question number 124, disease is related to medicine, then in the same way, famine is related to what? The famine will be related to drought. In question number 25, okay. So what we have to do, the word given as the organization, just we have to check which word must be constructed with the given letters from the organization. Yeah, because in option number D there is or in the letter E, and the letter is E is not there in the organization, so the correct option is option number D. In question number 126, you have to choose the odd one out. Okay, when you add every letter of this question, you will get as option A will become 15, but the rest of all the options will become 16. So the correct option will be option A. In question number 27, you have to replace. Okay, you don't have to replace anything. You just have to check which of the following figure contains this symbol. The option A doesn't have it, but in the option B, the same symbol is represented here. So the correct option will be option number B. In question number 28, okay, here it is showing when you reverse the numbers, then what will be the second highest number positions last digit. So when you reverse this will become 837, 924, 651. 372 and 494. Which is the second highest? Second highest is 837. And what is the last digit of it? This is 7. So correct option will be option number D. In question number 29, when you see the pattern, the W to T is -3 and T to Q is also -3. F to G and G to H is +1 and B to D is +2 and B to G is +3. So when you minus 3 from the cube, you get letter as N, and when you add +1 in H, you will get as letter I, and in the last letter you have to +2 +3, and you have to add the +4. So you will get as letter 4. The correct option is option number B. In question number 30 of intelligence, the food is related to hunger. In the same way, medicine will be related to. Yeah, the medicine will be related to disease. In question number 31, telephone is decoded. Telephone is decoded as the ferret, which is actually the mirror image of the telephone only. So how is the alligator? How is the alligator will be coded? You just have to reverse all the letters. First will be the letter R O T. So the answer will be option number D. Sorry, option number A. Option number A. In question number 32, this is actually the longest question of the intelligence. In this here, the husband is quoted as wife, wife is quoted as the grandfather, grandfather is quoted as the grandmother. So you don't have to read all this. You just focus what you have to find. So the actual question is, what will be the father of the mother? The father of the mother is called as the grandmother. Just look in the question that how is grandmother, what is the relation of the grandmother is given. So here, as we can see, that grandmother is called as the maternal grandfather. So the option will be option number C, maternal grandfather. In question number 33, okay, in a class of 35 students, Kunal is placed 7th from bottom. So the 37 will be the last, 35 will be the last position. When the Kunal is placed 7th from the bottom, when we go 7th from up, the number will be become 29 and Kunal is placed here. And whereas Sonali is placed 9th from the top. So the 9th number is reserved with Sonali. Now we have to find, now we have given that Pulkit is placed in the center of Sonali and Kunal. So we have to find its position. So that the center of the 9 and 29 will become the 19 and Pulkit is placed here. So we have to find the difference from the Kunal's position and the Pulkit position. When you minus 29 and 19, you will get as the answer as 10. So the correct option will be option number B. Okay, so value the Pulkit is given at the center, so the option this will become as the 18 and not 19. So when you differentiate in the Pulkit's and Kunal's position, you will get option answer as the 11. So the correct option is option number C. Okay. In question number 34, this is actually this question is related to the triangles. When you add all angles of the triangles, you will get as A plus B plus C is equals to 180. In this question, you have given the angle A you have to find, and B and C are given. So the angle A will become 180 minus of B plus C. So the correct option will be option A. So in this question, there are some letters which are coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just have to find the combination of the numbers. There is N is given as 1, C is given as 2, R is given as 3, W is given as 4, and O is given as 5. We have to make the letters from this given 5 words. So the letter becomes as crown. So this will be 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. So the correct option will be option number A. Now in question number 136, now you just have to draw this like north, south, west, and east. Now here is given that the Pia walks 4 kilometers down the south. She goes 4 kilometers down the south, then turn to the left and walks 3 kilometers. She turned to the left and walks 3 kilometers. Then she again turned to the right and goes 4 meters. Now, in which direction she is facing? She is basically facing the south direction. So the correct option is option number B. In question number 137, you have to observe the figure 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. In figure 1 and 2, when you take this triangle off from 1, you will get this answer. So what you have to do, you have to just take this triangle from the from third diagram. You will get the answer for 4, which is option number B. So in question number 138, you just have to complete this figure. You just have to look for the figure which is rotated clockwise in the 90 degree. So the correct option will be option number D. Okay. In question number 139, you have to calculate the number of triangles. You will get this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the basic numbers. So you will get as the number. Now when you look at this will become as the triangle also. This will become as the triangle. So this will be, and this will become as the triangle also, and this will become as the triangle also. So plus 4, and same goes with this also. This will also the plus 4. So now you will get as the total as 20. But the tricky part is here. There are two more triangles in this, which are these triangles, one and second. So there will be plus 2, and the correct option will be 22. Option C. In question number 140, this is the same question as the question number 1. We just have to 8 into 3 plus 24 divided by 12, so d minus 19. So this is the 24, 8 3s are 24, plus this is 2 plus minus 19. So the correct answer is 7, but and here the 7 is given as the option number B. In question number 141, now in this question, in the alphabetical order, like A has changed its position with B, so this will become B is A. C is replaced its position with D, so this will become DC. This goes up to Y and Z, so this will become Z and Y. What we have to find is here which will be the seventh letter in this position. So now next comes is E and F. This will become F and E. This will become as G. This will become H and G. We have the seventh letter as the H, so the option will be option number D. In question number 142 and 143, you have to read all of these 6 statements. You have to arrange the letters as A, B, C, D, E, and M, N, O, P, Q are in the setting position. So when you look at the first statement, B is just next left to D. So D is placing somewhere, and B is left to D and is opposite to Q. So in the Q will come here. When you look at the second question, the C and N are diagonally opposite. Diagonally opposite means they are end of one another. And in question in fourth, E is opposite to O, and who is just right of M. So we don't have O, E, and M yet. So we will go to the next statement. Next statement is saying that P, who is just left to Q, P is left to the Q, and who is opposite to the letter D. D is the letter is opposite to the D. Now when we come to the, we will just so when you come to this question again, sorry, when you go to the last statement is given as the M is at one end of the line. The first end we got as the N, the another end will become as M. Now when you come to this question again, E is opposite to O and next right to M, which means that the letter O will be here, okay, and E is opposite, so the E will come here, and the last letter of this will come here. Okay, now we have to look at the question number 42. We have to who is sitting right of O? Who is sitting at the right of O? This will be the letter Q. So the answer is question number A. In question number 143, which of the following pairs is diagonally opposite to each other? E and Q are not diagonally opposite each other. Same way as B and O are not. A and N are also not. But A and M are diagonally opposite to each other. So the correct option is option number D. In question number 144, the certain letters are given in the number format. Like 3 is given to Z, 4 is given to Y, and 5 is given to X, 6 is given to letter W, and 7 is given to the letter B. So the 5, 7, 3, 4 will become as 5 is X, and the 7 is B, 3 is Z, and 4 is Y. So the correct option will be option number A. What comes in the place of question marks? Okay. When you look at this second, fourth, second, fourth. When you look at the first and third position, you will get as the -1. Sorry, +1, and this also. This will become +1. So the X and the last position will become as +1 also. The last letter will be letter Z. So the option will be option number C. For question number 146 and 147, we have observed this table. In this table, the single ball is given as the count of 8. So when you look at the question number 146, which day the maximum number of balls were sold by the shopkeeper? Just look for the column which has the maximum number of balls, which is given as the first day. The correct option will be option number C. In question number 147, how many balls were sold on Tuesday? Okay, on Tuesday, look at the balls, there are 3 balls. Okay, but the single ball represents as 8, so the correct option will be 8 into 3 is equals to 24. So the correct option will be option number B. When you come to the question number 148, in a certain quote that cow is called as the goat is called as a lion, and lion is called as the dog, then which of the following animals is the king of the forest? As we all know, that king of the forest is the lion. But in this question, lion is called as the dog, so the correct option will be option number B, dog. In question number 149, select the related letters from the given alternatives. So what you have to do, when you look at the second position of these questions, the E, F, G, H, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. So when you look in the option, there is only one option which follows this pattern. As the Q is coded as P and this will become as P, Q, R, S. So the correct option will be option number D. In question number 150, this is again the same question. You just have to look for the word which you can't spell the letters mentioned in the intelligence. So when you look at the option number A, there is the letter A present, which is not present in the intelligence word. So the correct option is option number A. So I hope you got all the answers from the intelligence part of this question. So we are starting our new batch from the 15th of April, 15th of this month actually. We'll teach you all the subjects from RMS, RIMC and Sainik School syllabus. Thank you.